Welcome back, friends. In the previous video we saw that how we can reset the password. Now this video will be the last part of this backend here. So from the next video we will start doing the front end and our backend will be done. So today in this video we are going to see how we can verify the user email. So we are going to create another route for that, and as we are using authorial here, so we will be seeing all mails in the authorial only. So now without wasting any time, let's get into it. So I have started the server here and our database is also connected. So first of all, let's go to the postman here and register one user. So here I'm going to register the user, so it will be auth/register, and here we need password. I think confirm password is not there, so I'm changing my email to Fullyworld email. And the password is same. Let's click on send. Here we are getting please fill in all fields. So let's see. Let's go to the register here. Auth controller is there, and here what we need. So we need confirm password also, I think. So let's go to the top. Name is also there, so let's add name also. So here I'm going to add name Fullyworld web tutorials. Now let's click on send. Now we have registered successfully here, and it will also send the email. So let's go to the authorial here and let me reload this mailbox, and let's see what we are getting. See that here we are getting email, that is verify email, and our user is also registered. So let me go to the MongoDB database. So let's browse the collections here, and here we have users in MERN JWT tutorials, and this one is there, Fullyworld web tutorials, and it is not verified. So now we have to verify this. So let's see. So here when I'm going to authorial and clicking on here, let's open this link, and we have the route /API/email and verify. So we have to create email API. So for that we are going to create another controller. So let's do that. So here I'm going here, and here I'm going to create one new file that will be email controller.js. So here first of all we need one thing, so that will be we have to create a verify user, verify email controller will be there, and here request and response. So here just I'm going to console.log our request.query. So because we will get the token from the query only, and let's export this module.exports, and it will be exported in object, and we are going to export verify email controller here. Save this, and now let's move forward. Let's go to the server here, and here I'm going to replicate this. So here will be email, and here will be email API. So email API is there, so let's create the API. That will be email API.js. So same thing I'm going to create. So here we have to create the router here, so I'm going to copy this, and let's go to the email API, and same thing, let's export this router, module.exports router here. Let's go to the server and let's import this email API here. So same thing we have to do, and instead of this auth, this will be email API. Save this. Now let's go to the email API, and here let's run verify email. Here we are going to create the route here, and that will be with the GET request. So get slash verify. I think only verify is there. Yeah, verify is there. Verify. And here we are going to have the in the email controller, we are going to have the verify email controller. So we are going to add this verify email controller. Yes, we have imported this successfully. Now save this. Now we should not get any error. Yeah, our database is successfully connected, and now let's reload this. So I'm going to reload this, and now let's move here and see that here in the parameters we are getting in the query we are getting the object, and in the object there is token, and we are getting the token that we have in the query. So this token is same as this one. So here what I'm going to do, let's move to the email controller. So now we are going to work with the email controller only. So first of all, let's extract token from query, that is request.query, and here I'm using objects here because it is a request.query running a subject. So here I'm extracting the token from the object here. So first of all, we will check if not token is there, then we are going to send response dot status. So status will be 404 dot not 404, it will be like 403 dot JSON, and here will be status false, not status, success will be false, success false, and the second thing we need, that is message. So message will be invalid token. Just save this, and now let's move forward. So if token is there, so we have to first of all import the user, import JWT and user. So we are going to use JWT, and JWT require JSON web token, and then we need the user. So user will be require a one level up. So one level up, we will go to the controllers, and in the models we will be having the user model. So we are going to we need these two things here. So here we need async also, because we are going to use async and await. Now let's go to the auth controller here, and here let's copy one thing, forgot password is there. Yeah, this one is there, verify token controller. So verify token controller is there. So I'm going to copy this whole code. I'm going to copy this all code. Just copy this and paste it here. So here we are getting the same thing. So verify email is there. Then first of all we have verified the token and then decoded the token. We got the email here. So first of all, we will see if the user is there or not. Then we just are going to do like just create like that old user dot verified is equals to true. So we are going to verify the user, and then we are going to write old user dot save. It will be await, and then here we are going to send the response. So response dot status 200 dot JSON success is equals to true, and message will be you are verified successfully. Save this. Now let's reload this. Now see that we are getting you are verified successfully. Now let's go to the database and refresh here. So I'm going to refresh. So here we should get now verified true. So this means that this verified token is verify. This one is function code is working successfully. So for today this is enough. If you have any queries, please comment in comment section. I will definitely respond to that. And last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video, and from the next video we are going to start doing front end.